Welcome to day 23 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 22, please go back and watch those days, you guys. We're on day 23. We got 75 days total. You have not, I wouldn't say you have not missed anything, but you're not going to be left behind if you have to actually start from day 1, because it actually tells you to do everything in a certain order. So it's not like, oh, I can just do this day and then I can come back. No, please go back and watch day 1. Like, please go back and watch day 1. And if you have not already, please make sure you guys get a copy of my 3-book bundle. They should be in stock by January 23rd. So they should be fully in stock. You guys may see some in stock sooner. If y'all see them in stock sooner, y'all better make sure y'all jump on them, because I literally had them sold out and I was just like so sad and crying that I did not have these books. But I'm over that hump now. I know when they're going to be back in stock. So please make sure if you see those books, make sure you guys actually get the copy of the book, because there's only so many that I have available. Okay, so make sure you guys take full advantage of that. Now, yesterday, technically for day 22, depending on how fast you're moving, I suggest y'all just take this one day at a time, though. Seriously, take it one day at a time. And if y'all already been doing that and you started January 1st, you should be watching this January 23rd. But when I say yesterday, I know I'm batch recording. I literally mean the day before. So for day 22. So day 22, we talked about late payments. We talked about if certain accounts where if it looks a certain type of way in terms of you're not going to pay it, you need to consider that a charge off. But I said, hey, if you have an account on there with a few late payments on there, maybe you're late right now, you're going to bring it back current, then we need to do a goodwill adjustment letter. Now, you guys have the goodwill letter inside of your free course. Don't forget, your 3 books come with a free course, okay? So your books actually come with that free course. So make sure you all are taking full advantage of that, okay? So when I say take advantage, you guys have the goodwill letters for if you guys have student loans or just other accounts. I have 4 letters in there total that you all can use, okay? So with the goodwill letter, it's best for people that's now current on an account. So if you're not current yet, become current first, pay them, then you can send a letter out basically begging them to remove the late payment. But become current first. But after you come current, you want to send a letter out to them basically asking them to remove it. You basically saying, I had some type of hardship, I lost my job, I had a horrible emergency, my bills ran up for some reason, you had something dramatic or drastic happen in your life where now you weren't able to pay it, but now you're back on track. This is hurting you now to get your house, your car, hurting your credit score in general. Those are the things that you're basically putting in a letter, okay? Now, usually I tell people to do this if you had like 1 to 3, maybe 1 to 2 late payments on your credit report. But if you have like 12 late payments, they probably gonna delete 1 or 2. But if you guys send out these letters and you still find that you have late payments on your credit report, you can send these out every 30 days. You really can. And don't forget, I say I don't like to ask the credit bureaus to remove late payments, but when it's done right, they may go ahead and remove a lot of those late payments for you. But I just don't like sometimes when you ask the credit bureau to remove late payments, they want to delete the full account. So start with your goodwill adjustment letters. If you feel like it's not working for you, the company's not trying to help you at all, then you can send that same letter to the credit bureau and just make sure that it have the account name and account number on it, and then see if they're going to actually remove it that way. But I'd like it this way, because when you put your account, like if you put this late payment account on a dispute letter for the accounts that you want to get deleted, in that deletion letter you talk about, delete this from my credit report, you better not have this on there in 30 days, we going at them, right? But with this one, it's more softer. Hey, I had something going on, I have late payments from these dates to these dates, please remove it, please update the account as paid as agreed. That's what we put in the letter. So when the credit bureaus get that, they change up the tone. It's like, oh, she don't necessarily want me to delete the full account, or he don't want me to delete the full account. It's just the late payments, okay? So that's kind of, what I would suggest. But first, send these to the actual company. And again, y'all can send every 30 days. I know in here I said y'all can send after 30 to 60 days, but y'all can really send after 30 days. I will just continue to send it because we're talking late payments. And if y'all go ahead and actually get those late payments removed from your credit reports, watch how much y'all credit score go up. And then y'all remember how much y'all credit score dropped from the late payment. This thing off and to get all of that back, plus probably more, because now you have more positive history hopefully since that late payment, okay? But that's what you guys are going to do for that goodwill adjustment letter. So please make sure you guys actually do that. And then we're going to talk about tomorrow how to actually write it. But again, y'all know how y'all can actually get those letters for free. It's no point of y'all like, how do I write it? It's already there available to you all. I'm going to go over a few tips though on what to put in your letter, because you can type up your own letter. We're going to go over that, but I have the letters available for you. We're going to go over that tomorrow as to how to write your own though. Okay, I'll see you all tomorrow for day 24.